Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to utilize Stackia's automated surveys to send post-purchase questionnaires. This enables you to gather instant feedback and address any issues promptly. Plus, automations can help you send follow-up messages based on survey responses, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Let's start by going to Contacts and clicking on Forms. You'll find all your created forms here. You can create a new survey by clicking on Create Form. We want to make a survey to get a customer's feedback on a recently purchased product. So let's go to a survey I started making to see how you can customize a survey according to what you want to capture. So I've added the text here already. You can add different questions in the drop-down menu. You have different options. Most common questions like first name, last name, email. You can just drag and drop these to capture their information. There's the phone number option in case you want to add that too. If you go to the advanced options, you can select any of these as well. Same thing, just drag and drop whatever you want to capture or add. So this one allows you to add choices for the customer to select. So it could be for questions like, would you recommend this product to your family and friends or something similar. Here's the address option, and it has all the sections of the address if you want to capture that, but seeing as this is just the feedback, you probably don't need it. Let's remove that. Let's go to the layout drop down and see there's different options, so you can add a table or different tabs depending on your survey questions. So here's the columns option, and then you can add other components to it. So maybe you want to add, say, a question with pre-written answers that the customer can choose from. So let's drag and drop that. You can customize the text here by clicking on settings and editing the data from the option there, and it will show up on your form here. And then there's the submit option that will automatically send all the information that has been captured directly to your database, and you can go ahead and save this form now. Now, to make things easier, let's add automations so that whenever someone purchases a product, they will automatically receive an email with this survey link. So let's go to automations and click on create flow to make a new flow. I've made a basic template, so let's look at that for now. So here you'll see the trigger has been added saying order fulfilled. So that would be when the customer has received the product. Now we want to wait a little bit for the customer to actually use the product before we ask for feedback, right? So maybe we can add wait for amount of time so that the email is sent after a specific interval. Just click on logic and then drag and drop the icon from there. You can customize it depending on what your product is. So here let's say 2 days after their purchase, and then just save it. So here the icon has been added and it will wait for 2 days after the trigger to automate whatever task is next. And now to add the email, you can just go to messaging, drag and drop the email icon. I'm just going to show you one I've partially made. So in the subject, let's add something attention grabbing and catchy. We want to know how you're finding your product and we want feedback, so something like this. And then you can add other details and go down to edit email. Here's a draft that has already been created. So for the name, you can simply automate the name by from your captured data by clicking on insert merge field and then selecting contact name. You can add just the first name to make it seem more friendly and personal. So now every time the email is sent, it will automatically add the customer's first name here. And of course, we want the link to the survey. So we can add that again by using the merge field button, clicking on the links to my forms. And there's the survey we just created. So select that and link is automatically added. There we go. So you can customize your email according to however you want. Maybe add a discount for the next purchase or a chance to win something so the customer would want to keep coming back. And then you can add your company name over there, change whatever you need. And then let's save this email. Click on save again, and it's been added to the flow then. Let's make sure all the components are connected. and now all of these will be automated by the platform. And there you go, you can add as many automations as you want so that you don't have to manually perform tasks, which saves you a lot of time and helps send targeted messages to help build great relations with your customers. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out Stackia's website for more such amazing tools and features.